What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day as always. Today we are talking about a huge growth stock for online gambling. Now, this company is going to be merging with a company called Golden Nugget. We're going to be going over the stock forecast, what's going to happen with the stock when it merges, and is this stock going to make me money? Because all in all, I'm just trying to make you money and bring you this information, and all I ask for is a like and a subscribe in return. Now let's get straight into this video. Now, as we can see, this stock is pretty cheap right now. It shot up after we saw that they were going to be merging with this company. And the insane thing is the forecast for this stock is absolutely crazy. Now, we're going to go right into that. We see that LCA stock prognosis for 2025 is $43 with a 5-year investment. The revenue is expected to be around 205% growth. Your current $100 investment may be up to $305 in 2025, and I think that is a very, very low expectation. Now, let's get into the news about LCA stock. Now, we see they signed a merger agreement with Golden Nugget Gaming on June 29th. The deal should close soon. Why I think this stock is so important is we saw DraftKings. It's just like the DraftKings merger. Now, we saw DraftKings explode. It just kept going up. The markets were going down and the stock kept going up. And that is exactly what I think is going to happen with this stock. That stock started out as a special, talking about DraftKings, special purpose acquisition company, SPAC. But once its reverse merger closed, the newly named DraftKings stock doubled from the period when it was announced. By the way, this deal was supposed to have closed in the third quarter. Guys, these online gambling stocks are becoming more relevant. Now, this is the second one. DraftKings is an online gambling stock, but it's more of sports. We see Golden Nugget having such a big opportunity to explode in the growth in it because we see online gambling just taking off day by day. So we see DraftKings, it's talking about DraftKings the whole time because it's kind of the exact same business model. So Golden Nugget has the same betting experience. However, keep in mind that Golden Nugget has been much more profitable than DraftKings, which is such good news to hear. Now, what do we expect with LCA stock? Well, investors can expect right after the merger closes, major brokerage will likely publish their forecasts for the GNOG, that's what the stock's going to be called after the merger, that it is almost certainly a bullish catalyst for investors in the LCA stock prior to the merger. Now, this is huge, guys. Not a lot of people know about this stock, and I guarantee you, if you're watching this video, you really had no idea about this stock. That's why I had to make a video on it as soon as I could. Now, nevertheless, it probably doesn't help LCA stock that DraftKings recently decided to sell more shares. But we see that markets don't like to see this, and it could have a dampening effect on the GNOG stock, GNOG, whatever you want to call it. But the hype is not to this stock yet. And what I always see that tends to happen is if us as investors can pick up on these trends before Wall Street picks them up, then we will make a lot of money. Because what Wall Street does is when they pick up these trends, they skyrocket, right? The hype goes into them. They post all these articles. Investors start buying. So if we can pick it up right here before tons of people know about it and Wall Street catches on about right here, you just keep going and going and going with the growth. This is a huge stock that's a great long-term hold. But the good thing about this is I'm telling you about the stock now. So when this merger happens, you can be ready for how fast this stock is going to jump up. As we can see here, this forecast is just insane. I mean, we look at LCA, good stock to buy. Look at this, strong buy, hold. You know, of course someone's going to say sell because there's always people in the market that aren't going to agree with you. But I'm telling you now, online gambling is getting so prevalent. The better DraftKings does, The better this online gambling gets accepted in the United States, the better return on investment we're going to see with these stocks. Because as soon as these states start opening up and letting this gambling happen, we are going to see a massive amount of revenue for these companies. And a massive amount of revenue for these companies means a massive amount of return on the stocks. So get in on it early. If you guys like this video, please drop a like and a subscribe. It helps me grow the channel and push this information out to people that really wouldn't be able to see it. Other than that, guys, I'm out. Peace.